What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can make a harmless virus and prank your friend. So let's get started. First of all, open notepad and yes, you can copy command from my description box. And yes guys, you can change the text as you want. You also can change the number of seconds as you want. Now save this file as lovetest.bat and save as type all file. Now save. So after saving the file, let's open File Explorer and open the file. So like the video and subscribe our channel if you're interested in ethical hacking.